Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about models for facility location and capacity allocation. Now, if you see network design concept, so there are two different situations where a manager has to decide whether the facility has to be located at what location and how much capacity to be assigned for that facility. So these are the two cases where managers has to take decisions. That is deciding the location of facility and what capacity should be allocated to that facility. Now, if you go further, uh, there are different models which are used for facility location as well as for capacity allocation. Now, there is first model called as a gravity location model, which is mainly used for facility location, and network optimization models. These models are used for facility location as well as allocating the demand for each facility. That is, it means allocating capacity or how much capacity should be allocated to that facility. So these are the two main types of uh, network design models. Now, if you see network optimization model is subclassified into three different types. First type is a plant location with a multiple sourcing and plant location with a single sourcing. So these are the two types of network optimization model based on the how many sources are used or how many suppliers are there for supplying the raw material or sub-components to that facility. If it is a single, then it is plant location with a single sourcing, and if there are multiple sources, then it is named as a plant location with the multiple sourcing. Now there is one more type of a network optimization model, which is models for allocation of demands to facilities. Now this model is mainly used for how much capacity or how much demand has to be allocated to that particular facility. Means suppose there are four marketplaces from which there is a demand for a product, then which and if that company is having number of facilities, and from there that product can be shipped to the various markets. Now the supply chain manager has to take decision whether which market segment has to be allocated with the which facility. So this model can be used for that purpose. Now we go in a detail of gravity methods for location. Now gravity location model is mainly used for location of the plant or location of the facility. So facility is nothing but it may be a manufacturing plant or it may be a warehouse, or where that warehouse or a manufacturing plant has to be located based on the given conditions. Now the variables used in this model are, if you look at this slide, x comma y. X and y are the coordinates of the centralized warehouse. And suppose you have to locate a warehouse or manufacturing plant at certain location, so what should be the coordinate of that location? They are denoted as x comma y.